In this guide, I'll show you how to teleport to biomes in Minecraft. So the first thing you want to do is head on over to settings, and under world and game on the left, you can head on over to the right and scroll down until you get to world options. Now you want to ensure show coordinates is toggled on, and then you want to scroll down further and under cheats, ensure activate cheats is on. Now once you've done that, you can go back to your game, and then what you want to do is open up chat and commands, and from here, you want to go down to the chat box and type in slash locate space biome space. And if you have a look on the left, you'll see a bunch of different biomes that you can teleport to. So for this example, we're going to go to a cold underscore beach. And then once you've typed in the biome you want to go to, hit enter. And if you have a look in the top left corner, you'll see the position of the nearest biome for that one you selected. So what I'm going to do now is write down those numbers and then go back to the chat and commands. And you have to remember these in order to teleport to that area. So we're going to do slash TP space at S, and then you want to input those numbers. So let's say mine was -1000 space -100 space, then it's probably just 2000. Then all you want to do is press enter and it'll teleport you to that area. So if you did it correctly, you should be brought to the biome that you selected. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.